In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get money from Splitwise. If you've ever split a bill with friends or roommates, you know it can be awkward to actually collect the money people owe you. Splitwise helps track those expenses, and in this video, I'll walk you through how to use it to get paid back smoothly and clearly. First, open Splitwise either in your browser or in the app, and go to the group or friend where the money is owed. You'll see a list of people and how much they owe or are owed. Start by clicking on the person who owes you money. This opens up the detailed view for that specific person, where you can see the total balance between the two of you. Make sure the amount looks correct before moving on, just to avoid any confusion later. Once you're in that person's view, look for the option that says Settle Up. Go ahead and click on Settle Up. This is the main button that begins the process of actually transferring money between you and the other person. Depending on your setup, Splitwise may show different payment methods, but for this example, we'll focus on using PayPal, which is one of the common options. When the Settle Up window appears, choose PayPal as your payment method. Click on the PayPal option and then simply follow the on-screen prompts. Typically, this means you'll be redirected to PayPal or see a PayPal pop-up. There, you may need to log into your PayPal account if you're not already signed in, confirm that the amount shown matches what's in Splitwise, and check that the correct person is selected as the recipient. This is important because once you send the money, it can be harder to fix mistakes. Continue through the PayPal steps until you've completed the payment. After PayPal confirms that the transaction is done, you'll be brought back to Splitwise or see a confirmation within the app. Finally, click on Save in Splitwise. This step records the payment in your Splitwise account, so the balance between you and that person is updated. Once you click Save, you should see the amount owed reduced or cleared, showing that the debt has been settled. And that's all there is to it. By clicking on the person who owes you, settling up, choosing PayPal, and then saving the payment, you keep everything organized and make getting your money back simple and transparent.